Kumar Eka TOR, Father Leander Kitta TOR, and Father Biju Pupuvetu TOR from St. Thomas Province, who celebrate 25th year of their priesthood, the Silver Jubilee.
Father Anselmo TOR, the Golden Jubilarian. He was born of a Christian family to late Mandra Badras Gulu and late Sukru Fulmanika Kitta in the year 1939 at Kochedega within the Catholic parish of Tumdigi in the district of Simdega, Jharkhand. After a pious upbringing, he entered the Third Order Regular of St. Francis in July 18, 1964. After being educated by some of our prominent friars in the initial stages of formation in MTI and St. John's Regional Seminary in Bhagalpur as a candidate and as a pious novice in Babu Mahal was later on raised to higher stages of emergence. He has not only received his degree but also completed his philosophical and theological studies from St. Albert's College, Ranchi. He then was ordained a priest on 1st of December 1974 by late Archbishop Pius Kirkita S.J. His ministries. His service to the order and the Catholic Church till date as a religious priest is enormous. We are indebted to him for serving in majority of our fraternities as superior, rector, pastor, writer, and educator. He has been always an example of good shepherd. Let us join him in thanking the Lord.
Father Jerome Alukaran, another stalwart Golden Jubilarian, was born in the year 1944 at Mathon, Kerala. After he received the primary and secondary education in his hometown, joined the order in the year 1963. He went through rigorous formation periods under the supervision of some of our eminent friars who trained him to be what he really is today. He made his first temporary profession in 1967 and then the solemn profession in the year 1970. The philosophical and theological studies in St. Albert's College, Ranchi ignited him to be the priest like Melchizedek in the natural human garden of Jharkhand, in particular to the Catholic Church in general. He was ordained a priest forever on 25th of November 1974. His ministries as a zealous and unbeatable missionary, he worked in a number of our fraternities as a superior parish priest, a spiritual guide, and a great church leader. Not to forget, he was provincial to complete the top. Please note, he is best known for his simplicity and charity. Let us join him in thanking the Lord.
Father Ranjan Prakasika, the Silver Jubilarian. He was the happiest guy to be born on this planet on 10th of September 1972 in one of the families of Jumatoli, Gumla district, Jharkhand. He did his primary and secondary schooling at Holy Child Bal Bharti and St. Ignatius Gumla, respectively. He joined the seminary in the month of June 1989 with a sole intention to become a Jesuit Franciscan priest after the example of St. Francis of Assisi. The amplification of his ardent desire was soon intensified in the various stages of his religious formation in novitiate and regency as well. The critical thinking and reasoning in philosophy together with God experience in theology in Vidya Jyoti Lindi, made him a perfect product. He then was ordained a priest on 24th of May 1999. His ministries. As a young and energetic priest, he worked in several of our mission stations as that of a learned principal and educationist in the schools, as a provincial councillor and economist, and worked as parish priest in USA. Let us join him in thanking the Lord.
Father Vijay Kumareka, Silver Jubilee, was born of a Christian family in the year 1968 at Gudek, Karwatli, in the district of Simdega, Jharkhand. On completion of intermediate from Simdega College, he, as a promising candidate, entered the seminary in 1989. Having gone through various training programs in different institutes, remained focused to becoming a priest. He further continued his philosophical studies in Dharmana College, Bengaluru, and theology from St. Albert's College, Ranchi. His joy knew no bound on the day when he was consecrated as a new priest amidst the assembled congregation at the place called Gudek in 1999. His ministries, Adhikari, Kurumkela, Harmu, Gaurveda, and Nasimara are some of the places of ministry so far where he worked as parish priest. He also served in St. Louis School as a principal and an econom of the province for a term. Let us join him in thanking the Lord.
Father Leander Kirketa, Silver Jubilee. He could not make himself present here because of his health issues. He was born in the year 1969 to the pious parents, late Francis Kirketa, his father, and Ursula Soreng, his mother, a native of Adharma in the district of Simdega, Jharkhand. After his initial studies in primary and secondary education, he joined the seminary in the year 1988. Unlike the other Jubileans, Brother Leander Kirketa pursued the philosophical studies in St. Albert's College, Ranchi, and theology in Dharmara College, Bengaluru. Of the four brothers in the family, two of them became priests. Father Leander Kirketa was ordained a priest on 1st of May 1999 at Adharma. His ministries. He continues to serve the order and the church as pastor, rector, headmaster, professor, and educationist in his capacity. In 2003, he was sent for a specialization in pedagogy and psychology in Salesian University, Rome. Let us join him in thanking the Lord.
Father Vijay Silver Jubilee from St. Thomas Province, who hails from Kerala, was born on 11th of February 1972. He joined the seminary as the first year candidate at Vinagadi on 30th of June 1988. A year later, came to Jharkhand for his further training schedule. He then moved to St. Xavier's College, Ranchi, where he completed his intermediate course. He had his canonical 1 year of novitiate in Babuma and regency thereafter. Prior to both philosophical and theological studies in Dharmara College, Bengaluru, the entire parishioners of the Assumption Church, Batteri, Wayanad, witnessed him being ordained as a young, smart and vibrant priest on 15th of May 1999. His ministries, he has been one of the remarkable personalities in his service to the church as true pastor in the parishes and effective principal in the schools and so forth. Let us join them in thanking the Lord. Thank you.
अब हम इस समारोह के अगला चरण में प्रवेश करते हैं। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ ही धन्यवाद के त्याग हम प्रारंभ करेंगे। आर्या दीप हमारे जुबेलियन फादर्स लोगों का जल्दी भी मशाल के रूप में प्रतीक है। उनका नमूना, उनका जीवन अनुकरणीय है। इसलिए अब मैं दोनों रजत जयंती और सोना जयंती के जुबेलियन को मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा। वे सामने आकर के या जुबली मोमबत्ती जलाएंगे। सोना जुबली मनाने वाले में से फादर जेरोम अलुकरन और रजत जुबली मनाने वाले में से फादर बिजू विटल और फादर रंजन सामने आएंगे। सबको खड़े हो जाएंगे। फादर विजय पिता को आज की समारोह शामिलात का अगुवाई करने और ईश्वर को धन्यवाद देने के लिए आमंत्रित करता हूँ।
इस समारोह